Use Apple gift card for PlayStation. In today's video, I'm going to talk about if you guys can use Apple gift card for PlayStation. So suppose someone gave you this sort of Apple gift card, now you want to buy it in your PlayStation. So unfortunately, you won't be able to use it on the PlayStation directly just because PlayStation only accept these payment methods, which includes American Express card, Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal, Pay with 23 or E. However, the thing that you can try is try to sell this gift card on marketplace and you can get that money and use that money to buy games in PlayStation. Or you can try that. In order to do that, you have to go to new tab and you need to search for Raise Marketplace, and then you have to go to this website which says Raise Marketplace. Now, here you can sell your discounted gift cards, or you can go to their website, sign up, and someone will be able to buy your gift card, and that's how you will be able to use Apple gift card for PlayStation. That's all. Thanks for watching.